Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we have an exciting topic to discuss. We're going to reveal a method that allows you to make money with nothing. Yes, you heard that right. We'll show you how to leverage your skills and resources to generate income without a substantial investment. Let's dive into the details. Making money doesn't always require a hefty capital. With the power of the internet and your unique talents, you can create opportunities for yourself and start earning without having to spend a fortune. Today, we'll share some incredible strategies that can help you achieve financial success with minimal resources. The first method we recommend is freelancing. If you have a marketable skill, such as writing, graphic design, programming, or social media management, you can offer your services on various freelancing platforms. These platforms connect you with clients who are willing to pay for your expertise. It's a win-win situation where you can earn money by doing what you love. Another lucrative opportunity is affiliate marketing. This method involves promoting products or services on your website, blog, or social media platforms. When someone makes a purchase through your unique affiliate link, you earn a commission. It's a fantastic way to monetize your online presence and generate passive income. Have you ever thought about sharing your knowledge and skills with others? Creating and selling online courses has become incredibly popular. Platforms like Udemy and Coursera allow you to design and publish courses on a wide range of topics. By sharing your expertise, you can earn money while helping others learn valuable skills. If you enjoy creating videos and have a passion for a particular niche, starting a YouTube channel could be your ticket to success. By consistently producing high-quality content, engaging with your audience, and monetizing your channel through ads, sponsorships, or merchandise, you can turn your passion into a lucrative career. Now let's talk about dropshipping. This business model allows you to sell products online without the need for inventory or shipping. You set up an online store, source products from suppliers, and when a customer makes a purchase, the supplier ships the product directly to them. It's a fantastic way to start an e-commerce business with little upfront costs. If you're willing to take on some risk, investing in stocks or cryptocurrencies can be a pathway to financial freedom. While it's essential to conduct thorough research and understand the markets, investing with a small amount of money can potentially yield significant returns over time. These are just a few examples of how you can make money with nothing. By harnessing the power of the internet, leveraging your skills, and exploring various opportunities, you can create a sustainable income stream without a substantial initial investment. Remember, success in any of these methods requires dedication, perseverance, and continuous learning. It's essential to find a method that aligns with your interests and strengths. With patience and consistent effort, you can turn your dreams of financial independence into a reality. I can provide you with a brief summary of some additional methods to make money with minimal resources. Here are a few more strategies you can consider. Online surveys. Many companies are willing to pay for your opinions. You can sign up for reputable survey websites and participate in surveys to earn cash or rewards. While the payouts may not be substantial, it can be a convenient way to make some extra money during your free time. Online marketplaces. Platforms like Etsy and eBay provide opportunities to sell handmade crafts, vintage items, or unused possessions. If you have a creative streak or items you no longer need, consider setting up an online store and reaching potential customers worldwide. Print on demand. With print-on-demand services, you can create and sell custom-designed merchandise such as t-shirts, mugs, or phone cases without the need for inventory. Platforms like Printful or Teespring handle the production and shipping, allowing you to focus on designing and promoting your products. Renting assets. Do you have extra space in your home or own valuable equipment? Consider renting it out to others. Platforms like Airbnb allow you to list your spare room or property for short-term rentals, while platforms like Fat Llama enable you to rent out your camera gear, tools, or other valuable assets. Virtual assistants. If you have excellent organizational or administrative skills, you can offer virtual assistant services to busy professionals or entrepreneurs. Tasks may include scheduling appointments, managing emails, or conducting research. Websites like Upwork and Fiverr connect virtual assistants with clients seeking assistance. Online tutoring. If you have expertise in a particular subject, you can offer online tutoring services. Platforms like Tutor.com or VIP Kid connect tutors with students globally, allowing you to teach and share your knowledge while earning income. Writing ebooks. If you have a flair for writing, consider creating and self-publishing ebooks on platforms like Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing. Choose a topic you're knowledgeable about and write a comprehensive guide or an engaging story. With effective marketing and positive reviews, you can generate passive income from ebook sales. Social media management. If you are skilled in managing social media platforms and understanding online trends, you can offer social media management services to businesses or individuals. Help them establish a strong online presence, create engaging content, and manage their social media accounts to increase their reach and engagement. Remember, success in any of these methods requires dedication, consistent effort, and adapting to market demands. It's crucial to research each opportunity thoroughly, understand the risks involved, and develop a solid strategy to maximize your chances of success. As with any endeavor, it's essential to approach these opportunities with realistic expectations. While they have the potential to generate income with minimal resources, they may require time and effort before you see significant results. However, with persistence and a proactive mindset, you can turn these opportunities into profitable ventures. Continue exploring different avenues, honing your skills, and staying informed about industry trends. With determination, creativity, and the right mindset, you can unlock the potential to make money with minimal resources and create a life of financial freedom. Remember to subscribe to our channel for more valuable insights and innovative strategies on generating income and achieving your financial goals.